Hello and welcome back as we learn how to read Ancient Egyptian. If you like this channel and want to help up, please hit that subscribe button. It's very important to us. It helps us to bring more and better content to this channel. At this point, you should have seen all the videos that have led up to this one, which is teaching you the basics of the Egyptian alphabet, the uniliterals. Again, the review is that the uniliteral means that there's one letter with one consonant or phoneme, one sound. Okay? And ancient Egyptian has 27 of these uniliterals. And we have now covered all 27 of them. So what we're going to do today is just quickly review all 27 of those uniliterals, and just so you can get them in one tidy space so that you can actually see and make sure you've got them all. Okay? And if you missed a video, I would highly encourage you to go back and view those videos. So we're going to start from the very beginning with the vulture and go all the way to the cobra or the genja. Okay, so the first character is the vulture or aleph. Second, and the aleph is pronounced ah. Then we got the reed leaf, which is pronounced e. And then the double reed leaf, which is a y sound as in yak. The oblique strokes, which is also pronounced y sound as in yak. The ayin, which is, we're just going to pronounce it like a short e, A quail chick, which is pronounced as w or u, we or oo. A hieratic w, which is pronounced exactly the same as the quail chick. A foot or b, which is b. The stool or p, which is p. The horned viper or f, which is pronounced f as in fan. The owl or m, which is pronounced as in Mary, Mary. The waves of water or an n, which is pronounced n as in Nancy. The mouth hieroglyph, which is the r and is pronounced like road. And then we have the four h's. The house plan or h, which is it's a soft H as in hand. Then we've got the dot H, or twisted wick, which is a ha, a hard H sound. And then we got the round H, which is a k, as in lock. And then we got the flat H, or animal belly and tail, which has a ha sound with more breath in it, so it's like the ka at the round H, but ha. And then we got the three S's. We've got the bold S, which is S as in snake, or if you're doing Old Egyptian, it's Z as in zoo. We got a tall S, which is also S as in snake. We've got the pool or sheen, which is the sh sound as in shake. We've got the cough or Q, which is a k sound, kind of breathy k. We got the basket with a handle, which is a k or ka, as in calf, K or C. And then we got the ring stand or G, which is pronounced like a g, like a hard G, g. And then we got the T, the two T's. The first T is the loaf of bread, or T as in Tom. And then we got the second T, which is a chima, or ch. It's a ch sound. And then we got the first D, which is the hand, and it's just a D as in dog, a dental D as in dog. And then finally, the last letter in the Egyptian alphabet, the last uniliteral, is the danja, or second D, which is pronounced as j, as an edge. So that completes all 27 uniliterals of the Egyptian alphabet. I hope you enjoyed this review and found it useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time as we explore more of the ancient Egyptian language. And if you like this video and the content, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time.